When left in a natural state, streams are capable of performing a myriad of functions that are valuable to humans and wildlife alike. Due to this nature of streams, people are often drawn to live near streams, creeks, and rivers. Unfortunately, many human activities can intentionally or unintentionally alter the basic physical and ecological structure of a stream, which can lead to the loss of the waterway's natural function. Luckily, the team of scientists, engineers, landscape architects, and natural resource specialists at the San Antonio River Authority are working together to create novel solutions in stream restoration. Stream restoration improves the physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of a stream system through a series of techniques designed specifically to restore the natural function of degraded streams. A few examples of these techniques are cross veins used for grade control, bank protection, and in-stream habitat, towwood structures that create and ensure long-term stability against bank erosion, and J-hook veins that protect the banks by turning flowing water away from the bank and redirecting it into the center of the channel. Techniques such as these, when used in combination, can restore a poor habitat back into a thriving stream. Often, wildlife and vegetation will return and natural function of the stream commences. To learn more about stream restoration and all the important work Sarah's team is doing across our watershed, please visit www.sara-tx.org.